problem here. Culvert's blocked up. Somehow I don't think I'll be getting to town today. That's going to be a major fix-up. The neighbours have had a go at fixing the blown out culvert. They were all stuck behind it, so they brought in a 5-ton digger and just made it so it's passable. Oh yeah, they've done a pretty good job of it. It's all lined up okay. Well, what saves me doing it, I didn't really want to have to walk my machine down because it's about 2 kilometres that way, and with the tracks being pretty knackered, I didn't really want to have to walk that far, but fix it up properly later on. Next time we've got a machine down here, just slot those sections in, and there's another one down there as well. We actually got offered another plastic pipe, 1.3 metres diameter, from Euroflow. It was worth about $10,000, but one of the neighbours had gone to the council and talked to them about it, and we would have had to apply for a resource consent to change it from what it was, so it ended up being just too costly and time consuming, so just putting that original one back in. Now that the main track is passable, I'll focus on my 4-wheel drive track and walk the digger up and clean it up on the way out. When the ditch overflowed there, the water came down and rutted out this section, so I've just sort of filled that up and packed it down. I've made a nice wide ditch there, so that'll be good for a few years before I have to clean it again. Probably a third of the actual driveway, so yeah, overkill, but at least it should be good for a few years. Right, there's quite a deep rut down there, right down the middle of the track, so I'll try and dig a ditch on the left side and shape it down, because that's just going to carry on rutting out with the water running down there. this catchment has filled up with gravel. That should be a couple of feet deep there, so I'll see if the old payloader can get in there. Take a couple of scoops out of there and dump it in the washed out corner where the road's washed away. It would be better to use the excavator, but it's a long way to track it down here, so we'll see if the loader can do it. Dump it down there, fill that hole up a bit. We do really need to put another culvert in there, but that'll be okay for now. I've sort of stacked up some big boulders down there and just built it up again. All the stormwater comes down the inside, both sides, accumulates here and then just flows over, and that's why it's sort of washed out. So I think a culvert pipe would be good in there, even just like a 400mm diameter pipe. Dig that out a bit and then push the water out that way, and I think that would stop it washing out. The old Hough is doing a fantastic job. It's running really well now, and it's starting straight away, and the hydraulic fluid it's warm, but it's not hot like it was. So yeah, it's going to be quite a useful machine, I think.